All right, guys, so Black Friday is finally here and we're all in a rush to get some new photography gear. And if you're looking for some photography gear for a special someone, family, or friend, hope this video can help you out. I'm gonna go over a few budget photography items that you can find during this holiday season. And guys, just so you know, I will be giving away one of these items I'm talking about, so you can give this gift to a special someone or keep it for yourself. So stay tuned for that to watch what you need to do to win that. All right, so I'm gonna try and keep this video nice, short, and sweet so you can get to shopping, because I know all of y'all are busy during this holiday season. Jumping right into it. First item I wanna talk about is the Peak Design camera clip. Now this particular camera harness is designed to bolt onto the strap of a backpack and make it really easy for quick access to a camera. I use this while I'm backpacking and hiking, and as well as doing other types of photography. It's a great tool to have. Sometimes when I'm using wedding photography, I clip my B camera right on my shoulder so I have quick access for a quick lens change. And it's honestly one of the best things I've ever bought for photography. This little camera harness can't be easier to use. To release your camera, all you have to do is press this button here. Your camera slides right off and slide it right back on, and it's nice and secure. I've tested it with some pretty heavy payloads. I've never felt like it was gonna fall off, and it always felt like it kept my expensive photography gear nice and safe right on my shoulder for quick access use. Now, I'll leave a link down in the description to buy all these items. Right now, this baby's on sale for only $43. It's normally around $60. So if you're looking for a nice little gift for someone getting into photography or someone that's already in photography, consider one of these. Next budget-friendly item I want to recommend is a little mini tripod. This is the Manfrotto Pixie Mini Tripod. Now, I bought this tripod a little while back to take on hiking trips because it's nice and small and fits in my backpack very easily. It's also very lightweight, and what I really like about it, it feels very durable for how small it is. It doesn't feel like cheap material at all. There's a ball adjusting mount on top of it, so you can quickly adjust the angle of your shot, however angle you want to position your camera. And the great thing about this little guy is, even though I spent, I think, $30, $40 for it, right now you can find it on Amazon for $16. So it's a nice, quick, easy, cheap gift to get someone. Now, another quick, easy gift is a ND filter. It's this guy right here. Now, ND filters are generally used for playing around with lighting in your current environment. If you're getting too much light and you want to have a wide aperture, you're going to need an ND filter to reduce that light quite a bit so you can shoot with a wide aperture if you like. Now, they come in all shapes and sizes. Some adjust the colors, some reflect light differently. This one is currently a variable ND filter, meaning I can adjust how bright and dark my shot can get depending on the lighting scenario. Definitely worth getting a variable ND filter. And I take an ND filter wherever I go. It's so small, I just throw it in a bag and I'm happy to have it. Now for the giveaway, guys, I'll be giving away an ND filter up to $40 in value on Amazon based on what camera you have. Not every ND filter is the same. There's different thread sizing, and depending what your camera needs is, I want to work with you to give you the best gift. So in order to win an ND filter up to $40 value, please, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and post in the comments below to let me know that you're interested. Now, the fourth item on this list is a Lume Cube light. For those of you who don't know what Lume Cubes are, they're a nice, easy, portable light that are very small and very durable. I mean, like, this thing will not break. It's more durable than a GoPro. Now, another cool feature about the Lume Cube is that it is waterproof, so you can use this for underwater photography or any water shots that you want to play around with. I haven't got the chance to do that yet, but I've seen some videos of people doing that where they just place the Lume Cube underwater and just get the light refraction, and it looks awesome. So it's fun to play around with. Depending on how many Lume Cubes you want or the kit that you get, these typically run around $100. Right now they're on sale on Black Friday on the official website for $75. So if you're looking for a nice little gadget to get someone with lighting, this is a good way to go. And finally, last on my list, if you're looking for a budget item, you can spend up on these guys for quite a lot of money, but you can get them on Amazon for like $20 to $30. This is just a basic camera bag. A basic camera bag is nice to either just store your camera gear in your closet, or if you're going on a long trip. Every photographer should have a camera bag. If someone is getting a brand new camera for Christmas or their birthday, you can look into getting a camera bag. Let's say you're an aunt or uncle and their parents are getting, a whole camera set up. It's good to get any of these gifts that I mentioned or a camera bag with it and get them set up to store their gear very nicely. A couple honorable mentions here. Portable storage, any SD cards, external hard drives, all these storage type related stuff associated with photography goes on sale quite a lot. I know myself, I bought quite a bit of storage this past 24 hours just because it's the best day to buy computer related stuff. It has the most amount of sales out of any other day of the year for hard drives. And keep an eye open for good deals on cameras, lenses. It's all going on sale. A good beginner, and what I would recommend as a good beginner photography setup is get a Sony a6000 with a kit lens. You can probably find one on sale on eBay for like $200, $300 new. You can probably get them for used around $200. Great entry-level mirrorless camera setup. And there's so many other great cameras out there for not too much money anymore. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and comment below if you're interested in winning that ND filter prize. I want to apologize to you guys. I haven't posted a lot of videos in the last month or two, and that's because my work schedule got pretty heavy. But now I'll be starting to post videos at least once a week, hopefully twice a week, and starting to push this channel up more. So I hope you follow me on the journey. And until next time, guys, have a great day.